Welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. Meet our chefs. She is sweet. And he is savory.
Hello guys, and welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. Today on the Savory part, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful quiche Lorraine and also a vegetarian quiche. So let's go and check the ingredients. For a crust, we're going to need flour, sugar, salt and butter. I'm making a pâté brisé, which is the perfect crust for any pie or quiche. Sorry sis. It's so flaky, it's amazing. Once it's done, I'm going to put it on the fridge to rest. For filling, we're going to add some eggs, white pepper, salt, some heavy cream if you want, and of course our cheese. A mix between Edam and Gruyere. It's gonna be so good. Now for a vegetarian quiche, we're gonna add some parsley, spinach, mushrooms, roughly chopped onion, and for a special surprise, cherry tomatoes. When you bite these tomatoes, they're gonna explode in your mouth with juice, and it's gonna be so good. Now we add our egg filling to the mix and mix everything together. Redundant. And now, boom baby! Quiche Lorraine. So, roughly chopped onion, bacon, more cherry tomatoes for the explosion in your mouth. Usually a Lorraine uses, smoked ham, but I just really like to use some thick, sliced, chopped bacon, because, you can never go wrong with bacon. So good. Returning to our vegetarian quiche, we're gonna add this beautiful squash flowers, and this will elevate our quiche to an outstanding flavor. Now, we need to work our brisé as fast as possible. We don't want any gluten to develop, so work it out. Voila! Time for the union between the crust and the filling. So beautiful. I ain't no vegetarian myself. My friends can vouch for that. But this quiche, it's really, really good. Pop it in the oven at 400 for 45 minutes. Keep an eye on them, and they will be done.
Later.
Quiche time. So, as promised, vegetarian Lorraine. I'm going to start with vegetarian. There we go. As soon as the cherry tomato just pops into your mouth, it just explodes, and it's just amazing. Feel everything over there. Really nice. That's my favorite. Lorraine. Wow. If I'm alone on an island, just these, I'm okay with it. Whatever. Thank you again so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, comment, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and if you have some pennies around, please consider supporting us on Patreon. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.